G'day guys, how's it going? Well, this is video 4 in the motorcycle camp cooking series. I was supposed to be at Eddie Bay and a bunch of stuff happened and we're going to have to push that back for a few weeks. But anyway, the show must go on. So today, I was down at the post office and I got some new toys. So today we're going to do a unboxing and review on the Kovab little gas cooker and me little wind protector doodad. Alrighty, let's get stuck in. So this little gas stove wasn't the absolute smallest one I could get, but I wanted one that was just a little bit bigger so it had a bigger flame for cooking things, because I didn't want the really small ones shoot a little jet of flame right in the middle and tend to get a hot spot in the middle of your pot. So anyway, long story short, I got this fella here, and still pretty small, still fitting your motorbike bloody in with your gear. And okay, let's have a look at it. So what we do, pop the legs out like so, making it look like the first time I've done it, but I've already done it once to make sure I knew what I was doing. Okay, so you pop him down, open up these bits here, and insto spaghettio, you've got yourself a cooker. Now, grab yourself a butane canister from Big Dub or Overflow or wherever you get them from for $1.50 each. Pop the cap off, and on the side here you just pop it in like that, press it in and turn, and that's it. You're up and away. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, one of my legs just popped back in. Okay, now that is ready to go. Oh, she's a bit wobbly. Hang on a sec, let's have a look here. Okay, beautiful. Right, now that bad boy was excuse me, $18.04 off eBay. Took about 2 weeks to come. And now the wind protector. Now that bad boy was $11, this fella here, $11.39. And I've used these little fellas before, and you get a little bit of wind and they're just a pain in the butt. They just don't cook anything. So you get yourself a little wind protector, fold him out like so, and oh, look out, lost one of my pins. Pop that pin back in. No. No. Oh, I see. This is the pin that if you were to make a full circle, you join the two together and slot the pin in. But we're not going to use that because you guys need to be able to see what I'm doing. Oh, straight. Now it's falling apart. Alright, we're just going to use this bit. Rightio, so there's your wind protector, keeping the wind out of everything, and let's give it a go. So fire him up, and there's your little starter right there, and just like that, you are cooking. How quick and easy is that? Alright, so then you just use this little turning knob here to wind him up or down, exactly how much heat you want, and we might as well make a coffee while we're here. Alright, I stick my pot on. Whoop. That is a bit wobbly. Alright, chuck in a bit of water for 1 cup of coffee. Now I'll fast forward this bit and we'll See how long it takes to heat up some water. Rightio guys, 1.5 minutes and it's boiling already. So we'll switch him off. Rightio. 1.5 minutes to get a rolling boil. So, as I said in my previous video, you don't need to take sugar and milk and all of that sort of stuff. You just get yourself one of these mocha chocolate thingies. Grab yourself a cup. Straight in the cup. Now it's got the milk and the chocolate and everything. 31 cents. Chuck your hot water in. I'm a bit of a wimp, so I always chuck a bit of a, not a wimp, chuck a bit of cold water in the top there so you don't burn yourself. And Bob's your uncle. 1.5 minutes, you've pulled up on the side of the road or at your campsite, you've got yourself a mocha chocolate. Alright guys, so what are my first impressions of the Kovab k-202 cooking stove? Well, it's not the most solid thing, but it's quick, it works, and it's cheap, and it doesn't take up a lot of room in with your camping gear, especially when you're on the motorbike. So, thumbs up for me. I like it. The Gasmate butane cartridges, like I said, $1.50 at Woolworths, Big Dub, wherever, and you're cooking for under 20 bucks. It's bloody awesome. Alright guys, cheers. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so that was video number 4. What I'm going to do, because I can't get away for this Eddie Bay trip for a couple more weeks, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to smash out maybe 5 or 6 different camp cooking videos using this stove and using my fireplace. So I can teach you guys a few different meals that you can prepare when you're camping with non-refrigerated cooking ingredients that are yummy. You don't have to eat bacon and eggs 3 times a day, or or you know, just basic stuff. I'm sure there's a bunch of really nice recipes that I'm going to show you. Alright guys, well, cheers, good on ya, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!